Ever wondered how a power washing job can transform your property? Power washing is not just a cleaning process, it's a significant enhancement tool. It refreshes the appearance, making your property look brand new, and it may also boost its market value. It eradicates dirt, grime, and unwanted elements effectively, leaving a spotless finish. This wonderful process ensures a beautiful and clean property that is a delight to behold. A well-maintained property might command a higher price in the marketplace. Now that you know why washing is important, let's delve into how it works. The power washing process may seem complicated, but it's pretty straightforward. In this process, trained professionals use a powerful machine that emits a jet stream of water, strong enough to remove years of stubborn grime. They aim this high-pressure spray at dirty surfaces, eliminating mold and dirt that have been dulling your property's shine. It's a cleanse, washing away unwanted dirt and revealing the beautiful surface underneath. The outcome is striking, with the property seeming almost brand new. And there you have it, a clean, fresh and vibrant property in no time. You might be tempted to try power washing yourself, but hiring professionals like powerwashingchicago.com has its perks. Experts in this field bring experience, understanding all aspects of the job. They handle stubborn grime effortlessly with efficiency and proven techniques. Their proficiency enables them to finish tasks quicker than you might manage. Their skill guarantees a meticulous revitalizing your property's appearance. So why not give your property the professional touch it deserves? Ready to transform your property? Let's introduce you to a professional power job that can revive your space like never before. Tired of the same old look? Imagine your property, be it residential or commercial, being given a brand new lease of life. Time to say goodbye to grime, dust, and years of weathering. Unleash the potential of your property with this impressive refurbishing technique. Witness a sublime transformation that you never thought was possible. Don't wait another moment to experience this makeover. Contact powerwashingchicago.com today for a free power washing quote. We can't wait to help you refresh your property.